Material Testing Lab, experiment number 7, wear test. Aim: to study the wear properties of given specimen and to determine the wear factor. Apparatus: the pin, wear testing equipment and test specimen. So these are the test specimen. So there are various test specimen: mild steel, brass and aluminium. So procedure: first, clean the specimen surface of the disc and specimen by alcohol or acetone. Fix the specimen on the horizontal arm and measure the track radius by scale. Switch on the motor and measure the speed of the disc in RPM by tachometer. Fourth, load the specimen and record the force the load will end with the indicator. Fifth, adjust the displacement sensor to read 0. Sixth, record the value of reduction in weight at regular interval. Seventh, repeat the above procedure on other specimen for a given period of time at constant rubbing velocity with increasing loads. Eighth, repeat the above procedure for the other specimen for a given period of time at constant load with increasing number of surface velocity by varying the speed or track radius. Observation. So here we have three specimens: brass, aluminum and mild steel. So presently we will take the aluminium. So we'll measure the initial weight of the aluminium. For first observation, you have to measure the initial weight of the aluminium. So this is a scale. So aluminium specimen is being placed. So it reads 2.34 grams. So note down to the initial weight of the aluminium. So draw the tabular column. So material, load, track radius mm, speed in RPM, time in seconds, reduction of weight of pin W, velocity in meters per second, wear factor K. Now the aluminum specimen is fixed to the wear testing machine. The self weight of the lever is 750 grams. In addition to that, 500 grams is added on the lever to make a pressure of total of 1250 newtons. Now measure the track radius. So this is the track radius of the specimen. So this track radius is disc is 80 mm diameter and radius will be 40 mm. So note down in the tabular column. So load is total is 1250, track radius is 40. Now start the machine and set the timer to 30 minutes. Now the wear test machine will start. The specimen is rubbed against the rotating disc. So this goes on for 30 minutes. So you have to wait for 30 minutes till the experiment completes. So we shall wait for 30 minutes to stop till the disc stops rotating. So after 30 minutes, stop the machine and remove the weights and remove the specimen from the attachment lever. Now note down the speed, that is a constant speed of 480 rpm. The time for 30 seconds in seconds will 30 minutes from seconds will be 1800 seconds, and the linear velocity by the formula 2 pi rn by 60,000. So linear velocity will be 2.01 meters per second. So after finishing the experiment, remove the specimen and once again note down, place it on the weighing machine and note down the final weight. So the final weight of the aluminium has to be noted down, as you can see. So now calculate the weight loss in aluminium. So this was the initial, this was the final. So weight loss is 0.02. So note it down in the tabular column. Now load is known to 1250. Track radius is 40 mm. Speed is 480 rpm. We know this. Time second for 30 minutes is 1800 seconds. Reduction weight is 0.2. Just now we found this. Now velocity is 2.01 with the formula 2 pi Rn by 60,000. Now we have to calculate the wear factor. So to calculate the wear factor, so for aluminium, so density, note down the density is 2.7 grams per centimeter cube. So after finding the weight loss, now calculating the wear factor for aluminium. First, note down the mass lost for aluminium, that is weight lost upon 9.81, that is 0.02 upon 9.81, that is 2.038 10 to minus 6 grams. Then next, the volume of aluminum lost. So volume equals to mass by density. So mass is 2.03 10 to minus 3 upon density of aluminum is 2.7 grams. Therefore, the volume lost is 7.55 10 to minus 4 mm cube. Now finally, the wear factor formula, wear factor K equals to V upon F Vt, where V is the volume, F is the load applied, V is the linear velocity, and T is the time in seconds. So the volume lost, so load factor K equals to V upon volume upon F velocity into T. So volume is 7.55 10 to minus 4. Load applied on the lever is 1250. Linear velocity is 2.01, and the time seconds is 1800 seconds, which is equals to 1.67 10 to minus 10 mm cube per Newton meter. So this is the wear factor value of aluminium.